Hey guys, just wanted to tell you, actually I wanted to rave about a product that I tried recently that I absolutely love. When I was looking for makeup for my wedding, which was like a year and a half ago, I came across Tarte, which is another wonderful brand, and I ended up choosing one of their lip glosses. It's a matte lip gloss for my wedding and it stayed on all day and I loved it, and I didn't think I could love a lip gloss any more than Tarte because I was just so happy with everything from the color to how long it lasted to the fact that they don't test on animals. And I recently tried Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I had another lipstick that she makes that I was actually going to go with for my wedding, but it was a bright red, and I decided at the last minute I wanted to do Tarte because the color was a little bit less pink, and I decided I didn't want to do a bright red. So I am just so thrilled with this product. So this is Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This is 2 ounce, 0.22 ounce tube of it. So this is the liquid lipstick distributed by Park Hendo in San Francisco, California, made in Italy. And I know that Kat Von D is like a vegan and animal advocate, and I just love her, and I think she's a wonderful person for what she does for animals, and I think she's an amazing tattoo artist and incredibly talented. And I'm definitely a big fan of her, and I'm so grateful that she made a makeup line. You know, you could purchase her products and not feel guilty about buying something that you know was tested on an animal. So I'm just so happy with it. So we have all the ingredients listed here. Isododecaine, I'm sorry, I always butcher these long names that are kind of hard to pronounce. Propylene carbonate, synthetic fluorpholipide. God, I'm sorry guys. Titanium dioxide. Okay, I guess I'll kind of stop right there because a lot of these are very hard to pronounce, except like the seed Sarah sunflower seed wax. So anyway, I purchased this at a store by my house that's like a makeup store, and they have a lot of Kat Von D products, and I guess that they had just got this one in, and I thought this was so cool. Like just the tube itself is very cool. It has her name at the bottom, and it's very much her style with like the tattoo kind of looking art on it with the flowers, and I just think it's gorgeous. And what I love most about the product is the color. Oh my goodness, it's a gorgeous pink, and it stays on and it doesn't transfer. The only thing I have to say is that I did have it on for like 5 hours, and maybe like a little bit in the middle of my lips started to come off, but then again I'm like going through the day drinking a water bottle and stuff like that, so it's like, okay, I'm not really shocked that a little bit would come off, but it's not a big deal. You just reapply it, that's all. So with this product you can enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. It's highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty free. And the formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E, so your lips feel soft and not dry. Like, you know, some other lipsticks, especially the matte ones, which I love the matte ones, but they do leave your lips feeling dry because, you know, they're not infused with any vitamin E or anything moisturizing because they're designed to stay matte and to look dry all day. So sometimes I would wipe off my matte lipstick at the end of the day, and then I have to make sure I reapply, you know, a chapstick or a lip balm that's going to be moisturizing because my lips would be so dry from using the matte lipstick. That won't happen with this. And the sunflower seed oil gives your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve as well. So I can't get over how much I love this product. I'm so happy with it, you guys. I think I'm obsessed, and it's definitely one of my new favorites. And another thing I love, it's tall, so it's like bigger than the size of my hands, which you guys could see, but it's very slim, so it'll fit nicely in your makeup bag or in your purse or whatever the case is, and won't take up much room. And I'm going to open it up, and I want to show you guys. Okay, just to give you a better idea, I put a little bit on my hand so you guys could see, and look at that gorgeous color. It's so pretty. It's not too bright, but it is bright at the same time, and it's pigmented and it's beautiful. And once it dries, it lightens up a little bit and it stays matte on your lips. And I'm just so obsessed because it's great for a night out, but it's also great for like a daily, everyday wear. and then this is the wand. So the wand is kind of slim, which I love, because then you can kind of not even have to use a lip liner. You just outline your lips with the wand, and then you could go ahead and fill it in. So I can't even tell you guys how much I love this. I'm so happy for it, and I'm so happy that Kat Von D came out with her makeup line, and this one is definitely, I can't even tell you how much it's my new favorite. This is Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. The name of it is Mother. Can you see? I don't know the reasoning behind the name, but oh my goodness, this color, I am so obsessed. So guys, gotta get your Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, ladies. You will love it. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for checking out my video.